Hello, I'm Ken Cavanaugh with Saskark Equipment Group, one of Western Canada's leading providers of light towers, heating solutions, air compressors, generators, and water pumping equipment, as well as safe access solutions. Today I'd like to just introduce their Wacker Neuson's line of small pumping equipment. This here is the PST3 750, one of the more rugged, durable little construction pumps available on the market. It's a fully submersible unit with trash capabilities, cast iron base, and rubber impeller. It's very durable. This is just a 110 model, but Wacker also has the full range of 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch in both single and three-phase units, depending on the application. And if you require any further information on this unit or any of our other products, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-667-5155 or visit our website at www.saskark.com.